Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I have some Happy Mail from Miss Sandy Nagel. I pre-opened the box, the envelope, and I'm going to pull the contents out. Hmm. Oh, I forgot a few things here. Okay. So let's see what we have in this beautiful Happy Mail bag here. Oh, here's a journal she made for me. Oh my God, it is pretty. Here's the back. Oh, look all the goodies she put in here. She's got a little bitty file folder. Here's a big tag. Journaling. Haha. Let's see what's in this little envelope here. I need my 5 fingers. I might need a... What? Got it. Oh, some journaling cards. Very, very cute. Oh, here's one more. Oh, they got tons more in here. What? Oh, and a tag. Oh, that's it in that one. So we're going to close this back up. Okay. Then we have this here. I love the ribbon. Ooh. We have some scrapbook pieces that she used. I think this is the leftover from the paper that she used to make it. They have words. Oh, look at this, how pretty. Flowers. Oh, these are die cuts. Look at that, how pretty. We shall see. So I'm gonna tie this back. Oh, and she beveled the ribbon. Very, very cute. I gotta check the lighting with this thing here. Give me a few minutes here. There we go. Whoops, I lost myself. And then we're going to go on to this side. And she has, oh, a card here. I'm just going to keep this a little personal because to me it is kind of personal. So we'll keep it that way. I'll put that in here. It's going to stay in the book. Then she has a pocket here that has butterflies and vines on it with a little ticket and some ruffle trim. And in this pocket, let's see if I have everything. Oh, this is a double pocket. And she made this out of a notebook, guys. Here's a big tag here for journaling. Then we got all three of these little tags. This one has script on it. And she uses some eyelets in here. These are gorgeous. Put these back in here. Look at this. She's got the trim on this page too. I like the paper that she used. And then we have all this room for journaling. And then here's another page with script on it and some flowers. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous, Miss Sandy. And here's the back of it. So we're going to tie this back up. I'm going to tie it shut. This is drop dead gorgeous. I love it. And I will have pictures of all of this at the end of the video. So that's one. Let's see what she has here. We have some bling. Oh, these are two pins that she made. I love the topper. I'm going to try not to rip the topper because I can use the topper. Let me get that staple out of there because I don't want to pink poke myself. Okay, we got that out. So I'm going to save this. And we're going to open this up. And check out her pins. Her beaded pins, that is. Oh, I like it. That's one. Now this one, I don't think I have to try to, there it is. Okay, so we got those two. And they're really pretty. Oh, there we go. Oops. There. So we got those two. Now, let's put those back in there. Then we have these. I love her. Oh, look, I can use this in the project. So we're going to put that up there. And we're going to open this. And this looks like some little cards. Cool. I can use these as journaling cards. These are really beautiful. Let me move this staple out before I get it stuck in my hand. Then we have these from Recollections Project. These are pretty. Now these I really like. I have to look for them on Amazon or something. Oh, washi tape. Okay. There has to be an easier way to open this, Sandy. Oh, haha. There we go. This is gorgeous. Oh, I'm going to save this for a special project. I'm going to label this with her name. All this stuff right here is going to go in a pouch with her name on it. So when I use it, I know who sent it to me and who to give credit to. Oh, these are pretty. Those are beautiful. Now let's see what's in this bag here. I see a whole bunch of stamps. Okay, so first off we see this stamp set. Bible journaling. Yes. Then we have this one. Clear stamps again. Butterflies, birdcage, birds. Ooh, ooh. And this is a planner kit. And here's another stamp set. Ooh, I'm gonna have me some fun. But I have to put these in little pouches so I have them. These are some pretty sets. Pretty neat. Uh-oh. Look like this one has a couple missing. Whoops. Pop goes the weasel. What's this one? I think it goes here. No, it goes up here. So we have this one, this one, this one. Maybe it came off in the bag. No, there's nothing in the bag. Well, I'm still happy with it. We have this stamp set here. This one here. Oh, look at the little bunnies. We have this stamp set. Oh, we got a mason jar one. And this one from the circus. Got that. We got a shoe and a crown, a unicorn, ice cream. This one here, I can create my own flowers with. We got a flower pot here of 2 vases, 3 vases. Pretty neat. But they have to go in a pouch, so. Christmas. And what is here? We have more for life is better laughing. We'll see what we create with that. This is a Kelly Perky from Hero Art set. Email update. Oh, yes. This is going to be some pretty stuff to make cards with. And to stamp on junk journals. So, we have all of this from Miss Sandy Nagel. Thank you so much for sending this happy mail to me. I really appreciate it. I love the journal. So thank you for that. And please be kind, be caring, be loving. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, it looks like I'm upside down. So I have to flip myself over again. Let's see. Apparently, he won't let me go the right way. Oh well. Okay. Thank you all for watching. And I will see you all on the next video on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.